Hey everybody, I'm Joey and today I'm back with another bite-sized cooking hack. Today I'll show you how to spatchcock a full chicken. You heard that right. Now follow me and let's go full bird. So what is spatchcocking? Well, it's now legal in at least 36 states, but joking aside, it's a funny name. It really refers to like butterflying a chicken. That's kind of how I would look at it. And I feel a little guilty when I'm talking to other people. So we're just gonna go ahead and stick with the word butterfly from here on out, all right? And why would we even bother to do that? Well, you can almost cut the cooking time nearly in half. I actually roasted a whole bird that wasn't butterflied, and it took like an hour and a half. So it's pretty easy. The first thing I'd like to use, and you can use a knife, but I like to use some kitchen shears. Actually, I have these, they're poultry shears, and they were given to us from our friends at Mercer Knives. Now you can start from the back, you can start from the front. I really tend to start from the front. And before I even get started, let me just show you this full bird, right? So here we go. This is where the breasts are, right here. These are one of my favorite parts, the chicken wing, the legs, okay? So right here, and then on this other side, you can see here, this is where it lost its head and to tail, and right through here runs the spine. So I'm gonna start back here. There you go. It gets a little hard in there sometimes, but go ahead and use your muscles. Get in there, don't be afraid. All right, so there's the spine right there of the chicken. You can just go ahead and reserve that for chicken stock. From now, here you have a couple options. You can flip it over and you can just cut in right here with a butcher's knife, and that will break away the cartilage. But a much easier way to do it, I think, is just pretend like you're giving this thing CPR. Go ahead and push down till you hear a crack, and there you go. So now it lays out totally flat, just like that. Look, that's today's lesson. That's spatchcocking a chicken. You can use this for a turkey and other birds as well. If you want to see how to cook this thing, we've done that in other videos. One of my favorite ways to prepare this is on the smoker. We show you how to season it up and just smoke it to perfection. It adds a really nice, rich, deep flavor profile. Also, if you guys like this video, you know the drill. Go ahead and hit that big thumbs up like button, or even better, subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss an adventure as we turn up the tasty every single week. I'm gonna grab a drink and get ready to cook. I'll see you guys soon.